QNT at the time of this recording is seeing a massive breakout to the upside, and at the time of this recording we are now attempting to see a break above a significant key area of resistance above the $69.2. And on today's video I will be discussing the reasons as to why we are seeing this massive bullish movement, give you my long-term price prediction analysis, and above all give you my short-term price prediction analysis. And starting the video by first showing you the reason as to why we are seeing this aggressive bounce on the QNT chart. From this tweet you can see that QNT CEO Gilbert Vardian just appeared on TG for the first time in 2 years. And from the message that he sent on TG, we now have a confirmation that QNT has now received regulatory and legal forms, that is a legal pass around the staking and other forms of rewards. And it is in fact the reason as to why we have seen the recent update in their terms and conditions. This is the main reason as to why we are seeing these bullish movements around QNT. And jumping back to the charts to first give you my long-term price prediction analysis, where I still expect that we can easily cash out more than a 10x on the QNT chart in this bull market. You can all see that back in 2021 we saw these significant lows before we saw massive breakout to all-time highs above the $429.7, and that was a perfect 4x to the upside. And after the all-time highs we started a bear market where we had been seeing no prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a bear market low below the $40. And after getting the bear market lows we started a very nice bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where we first peaked in a 5-wave move over here in a move that gave us a high above the $229, completing an even larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in that larger Elliot wave count 1, whatever I was expecting next was a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area, an area that we have now fully maximized. And it is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to the high for that Elliot wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that area lies between the $134.2 and the $81, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for this Elliot wave count 2, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months we are going to start an aggressive bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci's from the bear market lows to the high for this Elliot wave count 1, then drag the fibs to the lows that we have at the moment for that Elliot wave count 2, giving me a minimum target area for that Elliot wave count 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $352.6. And in case we manage to bounce to that target area in that Elliot wave count 3, based on the current prices that we have at the moment, that will be a perfect 6x to the upside. Then from there we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliot wave count 4, then continue gearing up even higher in an Elliot wave count 5 that can easily give us new all-time highs and possibly give us more than a 10x to the upside. So that is my long-term price prediction analysis. I have also been saying to you that we also needed to see QNT reclaim a significant area on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 0.88, and the fib level 0.88 lies above the $63.7, and you can see that at the time of this recording we have managed to get above that significant area, and as long as we continue holding above that area there's a high chance that in the next coming days we are going to continue seeing higher prices, break above significant key areas of resistances, and also get a confirmation that we have a low in place for the second wave before we can finally start a massive breakout in an Elliot wave count 3. And I also say to you that in case we don't see a bounce back above the fib level 0.88, then QNT has the risk of getting a massive breakdown move, in a move that can easily give us a reset of the bear market lows. And in case we get a reset of the bear market lows, we also have a risk of getting new bear market lows. So that is what I have been expecting on the long term. Jumping to the 1 hour chart to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis, I'm expecting to see a successful break above this key area of resistance over here, above the $69.2. And the moment we manage to break above that with a successful retest, then I will continue expecting higher prices, having my next target areas above the $81. And a break above the $81, then $90 will be my next target areas. And significant key areas of supports that we need to continue holding on the short term lies within this blue target area over here, that lies between the $59.9 and the $58.2. In case we get a breakdown move and we lose this significant key area of support, then that will be suggesting that QNT might give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August below the $50. So that is the price action that I am expecting here on the QNT chart for the next coming hours. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.